Hi, this is how you connect a PS4 or PS5 controller to an Android phone or tablet to use it to play any game with controller support. First, open up your device's Bluetooth settings and set it to search for new devices. Then on your PS4 or PS5 controller, push and hold the PS button and the share buttons simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the controller starts blinking rapidly with a blue light. Now the controller should pop up in your phone like any other Bluetooth device, where all you need to do is to select it to connect to the phone or tablet. Then it's just a matter of opening a game and playing. Usually controller support is only for the in-game controls and not while navigating menus, etc., which usually still has to be done using the normal touch interface. Also, when you're done gaming and want to use the controller with another device, make sure to again enter Bluetooth settings on your phone or tablet, select the controller and choose to forget it. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.